Hi, my name is Deb. I'm a child care nurse consultant from Iowa, and I have 5 grandkids. I used to enjoy doing musicals with my 2 youngest daughters in our community theater, but 3 years ago, HPV started destroying my voice. I've lost my ability to sing, and it's affecting my ability to do my job. What is HPV? To make it simple, the human papillomavirus causes warts. There are dozens of strains of HPV. Some cause warts on your hands and feet, some cause them on your genitals and inside your body. Most are harmless and go away on their own, but some strains of HPV can cause cancer. In fact, 100% of cervical cancers are associated with HPV infection. The good news is we do now have an HPV vaccine. Unfortunately, the vaccine wasn't around when I was young, and getting vaccinated after you're already infected with HPV doesn't help. So that's why we have to get kids vaccinated before they become sexually active. If we wait till they're adults, it may be too late. For me, HPV has caused recurrent respiratory papillomas on my vocal cords. It's a rare, incurable condition. A wart on your skin can be cut out or frozen all the way down to the root so it doesn't grow back, but they can't do that on my vocal cords without destroying them. So they can't cut out the infected cells. I have to have surgery every 6 to 12 weeks to remove the warts so that I can continue to talk. And this costs $100,000 a year for the rest of my life. Sadly, this rare condition is actually more common in children than adults. And that's because the HPV virus gets in their airway during childbirth from an infected mother's cervix. And I've heard kids starting these surgeries as young as 6 months old. And again, it's for the rest of their life. And because their airways are smaller, they may actually need a breathing tube in their neck because the warts can actually block their airway and they can't breathe. So here's my message to all the parents out there. Please vaccinate your children for HPV. Not only are you protecting your children against some cancers, but you're protecting your future grandchildren from a lifetime of suffering and surgeries. So thank you so much for listening to my message, and have a wonderful holiday.